Are you struggling to get the most out of your autonomous maintenance program? Are paper forms and spreadsheets not delivering the results you need? Save time and money and do more of what you love to do with Weever. By empowering machine operators to take on simple maintenance tasks, autonomous maintenance is a great way to increase equipment uptime, enhance employee engagement and ownership, and save time for maintenance team members to work more closely with operations and focus on preventative maintenance. But with conventional tools that offer poor visibility and engagement, autonomous maintenance can be time-consuming and costly to manage. Weever is a connected worker platform that makes autonomous maintenance easy with powerful schedules so CILs, center lines, and 5S audits are never missed, and configurable digital forms so you can ensure compliance and accuracy, and capture the exact data you need. When issues occur, Weever automates action planning to ensure supervisors are notified, work orders are assigned, and tracked to completion. Weever also automates reporting, which saves you time, provides instant access to insights and trends, and keeps everyone in the loop. And the best part is, with one site license, you can get everyone involved in autonomous maintenance. Get the most out of autonomous maintenance and total productive maintenance with Weever. Go to weaverapps.com to learn more and connect with us.